What is going on, my boo? It is your girl STACIEWO. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today, honey, we are going to be doing a fresh face summer makeup look, honey. Okay, so if you want to see how I created this look, make sure you keep on watching. So we are about to be jumping right into it, spraying the face with some setting spray and jumping right into moisturizer, honey. And just basically taking that moisturizer and rubbing that all into the skin for a fresh face. Okay, honey, I want to make sure the skin is moisturized, is glowing from within. So I definitely try to make sure I do everything I need to do for this skin to glow within. You dig me? Rubbing all that real good on the neck, jumping into some primer next. And I just take the primer as well and just rub that all over the face. And then I want to also glow from within again. So we take the Duet by Danessa Myricks, and I just take that and rub that real good all around the points where I do my highlight and stuff like that, just so I can have that good finish. Next, we're going to jump into foundation, only using that little bit. Yes, honey, because for a fresh face, you don't need a bunch of makeup. You barely need no makeup. You know what I mean? But I still do makeup to get like that good even tone. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just taking that little pea size and putting that all over the face. And yes, it really gets all over the face. LYS is really good. Okay, next we're going to be jumping into some concealer. So I'm only doing a little bit of concealer on the inner and outer points on under the eye. I only do a little teeny bit because I just really want to cover my dark circles. I'm not trying to get too glam. So I don't put a lot of concealer all over my face, but I definitely use a concealer that is close to my skin tone, and this is the Charlotte Tilbury. And I also make sure I use something that is matte, honey, because we do not want it to move. Okay, so we're jumping into the Danessa Myricks for contour, and we're only using a little bit. When you do a fresh face, less is best. Remember that when you're putting on your makeup, less is best. So I'm just taking that contouring all around the face, and now we're just going to beat the skin just a little bit, you know what I'm saying, blending it in, making sure it's blending really good. And as you can see, look, I barely even needed all of that, you know what I'm saying? So always remember, you don't need a lot of product, all right? And this is fresh face. You want to look like you really don't even have no product. You just, chilling, So I'm just blending all of those points. I am definitely leaving my outer points, and then I jump into a beauty blender right after just to make sure it is like really seamless and like set into the skin really good. You feel what I'm saying? Because I don't want no demarcations on my face, period. Okay, next we're going to be blending in this contour, and as you can see, honey baby, you don't need a little bit. It is really still structuring the face just like you like it. You feel what I'm saying? Because you still want that kind of like structure. You know what I mean? Get the structure. Okay. Next, we're going to be jumping back into those under eyes, and I'm just lightly blending the under eyes in. I kind of let that be my last resort because I like to wait till those dry down, honey, so it can be nice and seamless, looking real good, because them dark circles, honey, is a mess. So I am setting the face right now, setting the under eye actually, and I don't put a lot. As you can see, this Laura Mercier only gets a little bit. It don't get a bunch, because I don't be wanting a bunch of bake, because then it'll start looking cakey. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just setting the contour now as well, using that Juvia's Place. I like to set all around the perimeter of my face. You know what I'm saying? And by the way, you're not going to get a real hard contour from me either, because I really don't do a bunch of contour. You know what I'm saying? I'm also doing a little mocha mommy around the face. And now I'm just blending that all in with some Fenty foundation powder, just to make that seamless. And also right here, I'm taking the Charlotte Tilbury in the color Deep, and I'm putting that over top of my setting just to make sure it's looking like skin, baby, So next we're jumping into the eyes, and for eyes I'm just doing eyeshadow, bronzer eyeshadow over my eyes. I really don't put no concealer or nothing because in the summertime it crease if I'm not doing a real, like if I'm not giving a real hard eye, so I don't do that. And for eyebrows, I like my eyebrows to be very, very natural, so I take some duo glue and I kind of like make them stick real good, because you know I ain't barely got none, you know what I'm saying? But I really just shape the outer points of my eye because I kind of still want them to look like how they look, bald, you know what I'm saying? Like I got eyebrows, but I don't have eyebrows, and I still want them to look like that. So this is like my kind of like eyebrow, no eyebrow done kind of look. You feel me? And I'm just shaping, you know, those eyes up real good with some concealer. And next, I'm doing my eyelash. For my fresh face, I don't do eyelashes, but I definitely make sure these eyelashes are pulled because I have some, okay? And then I do my bottom lashes as well, honey, making sure that's really, really good. And then I'm just going to jump into some blush and just blush that face just a little bit more. I do more blush when, you know what I'm saying, it barely look like I even put some on, but I did, y'all. It's a lot on there. I might need to put some more, shoot. I'm going to jump into this Diamond Bomb too, because even though I did put the Domestic Myricks on, that still gives you like a glow within. You feel me? So I'm going to jump into lip, and usually I'm giving you a gloss, you feel what I'm saying? But I wanted to do a lip for you guys, and this is just a little brown line lip with the opal and just a little pink lip, something, you know, like chill, you know what I mean? Not doing too much or whatever. And then I just took some e.l.f. gloss and just glossed my lips because I like a little gloss or whatever. And then set this face, honey, and yes. Look, I really, really love this look. I love how this look came out, honey. This is like really like my fresh face, get up, go. No lashes, no brow, you feel what I'm saying? So I really, really love how this look came out. And to be honest, honey, I'm gonna take this lip off. I'm taking this lip off because my fresh face is really like this all day long. I'm giving this, you know. Hold on, no, is that like no lip, no nothing. Okay, we doing this all day. Lips gonna be juicy all day, I'm just saying. So if you are feeling this look, boo, don't forget to like, comment, honey. Okay, don't forget to keep God first, and I will see you in my next video, boo. I love you. Mwah. Peace.